Suppose you want to draw on the screen, and you make a node 2D and collect using the input function. You collect the position of the mouse and the old position, and when you move the mouse, you trigger redraw. So you can draw a line from the old position of the mouse to the new position. This works, but the problem is that each frame, you see that we are drawing a line, but we are erasing, the system erases the old ones. This is because the default viewport of the game will be in Godot 4, at least as far as I know, is always clearing. But to solve this, you can add a SubViewport and use it to, let me see. First, you must match. Let's use a more standard size for the window, and let's match the size of the window, and inside the SubViewport we will have a node that will do the drawing. Let's call it drawer. This we'll call input because it will manage the input. We will attach a script to this one and assign a new script to this one. It will be almost identical to the drawer one, but without the draw function. So in the drawer script, we will only have this, and let's remove this. And in the input, we will have a reference. Let's assign it. With the export, instead of having these variables, we will have and we will call the QRedraw here. So if we run this, obviously we will not see anything because the SubViewport is not assigned to anything. So we will have a sprite here. Let's call it the viewer, and we will assign a viewport texture here. It will ask us for the SubViewport in the project, and let's not make it center because, yeah, if we make it center, it will show things offset. And in this case, we are seeing the lines, but obviously it's still like before, it's erasing each frame. So we will change the SubViewport rendering mode, or the clear mode, to next frame. We could use never, but this is useful for the next frame one, it's useful for using the clear color of the system. And now we can draw. To erase the drawing, we can add to the input function. Let's see. We could add something like this, and we could change the clear mode to clear mode once. That is, I don't know why this here has this name, but so we can draw again, and with the R key we clear everything but the last the last line. To fix that, we should make something like this. And now we are erasing all the lines. I hope this will be useful for you if you need to do something like this. If it is, press like and subscribe and share the channel with your friends and other people that could learn something from them. Thanks.